Alam mo, hindi old money. Kasi nakakita ka na ba ng old money na nagyabang?
Yeah, flexing. Wala, diba?
They're grown as men and women. If you don't know by now, you're fucking stupid. Parang sobra-sobra naman ata yung yaman natin, Dad.
Hindi rin.
Would they really,
There's-
it doesn't really matter.
Some are
To them, but
oblivious.
to
Oo.
them. They know their parents have this business. They know they're earning.
Yeah, but then parang yung if you don't know if
How old
if
are
your
they
parents
ba?
are into drug dealing or something, tapos may mga front lang dyan na business, tapos hindi mo alam, 30 years old ka na, hindi mo pa rin alam.
Hindi, kasi yung ganyan naman, like for example, if your dad or your mom or anybody sa family is into illegal things, especially mga drug running.
That's pretty obvious.
Machichismis na yan eh.
Pretty obvious yan.
Di ba? Tawag yun to, anak ka ng drug lord, ang yabang mo. Maririnig yan, mas magtatanong ka na rin, magdududa ka. Pero kasi yung ganyan, contractor eh.
The Midnight Snack.